So one of the key ways of keeping consistent and being sustainable with your content creation is really to just have simple bits of content. Okay, so if you have a complex idea, even if it's a longer than normal YouTube video, make sure that you stay with one theme, with one concept. Okay, if you want, obviously in the short form side, you can keep that theme and break it up into 5 simpler bits. So if you have that long aspect and it has 5 different themes in it, break it up into 5 different bits of content, right? So keep it simple, keep it focused, and ensure that you keep your audience coming along with you on that journey, all right? As I hope you all are following me on my journey as well. Okay, this is day number 4 of 30. Please like, follow, subscribe, depending on what platform that you're watching on, and let's keep going. See you tomorrow.